level to retrieve log messages. Now tell me, logger dot set level dot debug, level dot debug. What's the meaning of this, guys? While retrieving log messages, I want to get debug and above messages. I would like to get debug and above messages. Understood my statement here or not there? Okay, let me improvise JDBC code little bit. I think, can I do tomorrow? Already it's been 12:08. Okay, we'll just complete JDBC code, guys, with the try catch blocks, and remaining log4j we will do tomorrow. Yes, guys. Here is end of try block. Okay, end of try block. Here is what? Catch SQL exception. Mistake. I should take code with coding standards. I have taken first application, it seems. Okay. Tell me. Exception E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Here some more things we have to do, guys. Connection con is equal to null. Here only con. I just want to keep the code with the coding standards. Statement st is equal to null. St is equal to this. Here, if con not equal to null, coding standards, nothing else I am following. I think you all are aware of this stuff. Result set rs is equal to null. Yes, guys. Tell me here, if st not equal to null, rs is equal to st dot execute query. Process the result. If rs not equal to null, end of open if condition, end of if condition, end of while loop, end of while loop. Come on. Uncommenting class dot for name is required and actually not required. Sandeep K, that is auto loading of driver class feature. Nowadays not required. I don't know where we are. Okay, now here we are having finally block, guys. Finally block. While closed, try closed. Okay, we'll see at the end. Close JDBC objects. If rs not equal to null, try, guys. Rs not equal to null, rs dot close, catch, SQL exception sc dot print stack trace. Yeah, I will play with the flower brackets later. First focus here. st not equal to null, st dot close. Okay. Con not equal to null, con dot close. It's a normal JDBC code, guys. These are not required, guys. Okay. End of main method, end of class. This is end of finally block. What block, my dear? Finally block. Okay. Now let us see. Let us see. 45. This curly brace you remove, because after that we are keeping only one statement now, boss. Press. Now all marks gone na? All marks gone or not? Okay. Yes, I have to add log messages with a lot of analyzation. Where info, where debug. Then I have to run it. It takes time. But today you observe, why are you taking static blocks, sir? I don't need to create these objects again and again. I need to place only in one-time executing blocks. Okay, one-time executing blocks means what, guys? Either constructor or static block. But main method is static method. I want to use logger inside the main method. I will be taking logger object as a static object. Okay, can I use static objects inside the constructor, guys? Can I use static objects inside the constructor, guys? No. So what is left, boss? What option left, boss? What option left, boss? Come on, tell me. Static block is left. That's why we are creating all these things in the static block. We are creating all these things because I decided to take this one as a static so that I can use both in static and non-static method. That's why I'm trying to put remaining things in the static block. Are you getting my point there or not? Right. Still I have to write code. Still I have to improvise this code. This is just initial code. This is just initial code. But observe, everything is linked to logger. Layout is linked while creating appender. Appender is added to logger. Okay. And someone is asking me why private. Jump into drainage, Rakesh. Private for protection, na? Do you want to use that one in inside the class or outside the class? Without knowing why private attending log4j. Encapsulation. You want to use that logger object inside this class or inside every class? Okay. There is no default layout, guys. There is no default layout. Okay. Done. See, after giving that statement, people stopped opening cameras, guys. That means at least you are valuing your gender. I am happy. You are not valuing yourself, but at least you are valuing your gender. But that value of gender will come when you fulfill the basic needs on your own. You will add more value to that gender when you can earn those basic needs on your own. Still eating parents' money is never makes you and what is that fulfillment of gender, boss? Everyone getting my point? I have given one statement, people stopped opening it. That means this indicates what? Ashwant Reddy, on the bench means not removed. On the bench means not removed. But if you are idle for next 3-4 months, they will remove you. Within 1-2 months, try to get into one or other project. Right, guys? Yeah. What we completed is 30% of log4j. Coding wise, 10% only. Coding wise, 10% only. Are you getting my point? Right. Tomorrow, 9 o'clock. It may continue till 12 or 1 or 2. For tomorrow, at any cost, we should complete log4j and SLF4j. I'll give 1-2 breaks tomorrow, don't worry. But be mentally prepared for long sessions. Long sessions. Okay. Rajesh Magar, same old singleton, guys. Singleton, refer singleton design pattern, you will understand it. Logger and reporter, same and same. No, there is no class called reporter, only logger is there. Okay, Ganesh, it's a passion, nothing else. Yeah, notes will be uploaded to my group, guys. Notes will be uploaded to my group. Yes, I'll give the URL of the group. Try to become member. Yes, boss. Class is over 5 minutes back only, Mr. Bipin. Where were you sleeping? And I have talked about tomorrow's class also. Dirty fellows, where they sleep, they also don't know. Okay, tomorrow same link, boss. Tomorrow same link. Right. This class will not be there in the YouTube. You have to attend live class. You have to attend live class. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Tomorrow SLF 4J also will be covered.